Today, I'm going to read a few lines from this book called The Sun and Her Flowers by Rupi Kaur. The poem is called What Love Looks Like. What does love look like? The therapist asks 1 week after the breakup, and I'm not sure how to answer her question except for the fact that I thought love looked so much like you. That's when it hit me, and I realized how naive I had been to place an idea so beautiful on the image of a person, as if anybody on this entire earth could encompass or love represented, as if this emotion even 7 billion people tremble for would look like a 5'11" medium sized brown skinned guy who likes eating frozen pizza for breakfast. What does love look like? The therapist asks again, this time interrupting my thoughts mid sentence. And at this point, I'm about to get up and walk right out the door, except I paid far too much money for this hour, so instead I take a piercing look at her. The way you look at someone when you're about to hand it to them, lips pursed tightly, preparing to launch into conversation, eyes digging deeply into theirs, searching for all the weak spots they have hidden somewhere, hair being tucked behind the ears, as if you have to physically prepare for a conversation on the philosophies or rather disappointments of what love looks like. Well, I tell her, I don't think love is him anymore. If I love was him, he would be here, wouldn't he? If he was the one for me, wouldn't he be the one sitting across from me? If love was him, it would have been simple. I don't think love is him anymore. I repeat, I think love never was. I think I just wanted something. I was ready to give myself to something I believed was bigger than myself. And when I saw someone who could probably fit the part, I made it very much my intention to make him my counterpart. And I lost myself to him. He took, wrapped me in the word special, until I was so convinced he had eyes only to see me, hands only to feel me, a body only to be with me. Oh, how he emptied me. How does that make you feel? Interrupts the therapist. Well, I said, it kind of makes me feel like shit. Maybe we're all looking at it wrong. We think it's something to search for out there, something meant to crash into us on our way out of an elevator or slip into our chair at a cafe somewhere, appear at the end of an aisle at the bookstore, looking the right amount of sexy and intellectual, but I think love starts here. Everything else is just desire and projection of all our wants, needs, and fantasies, but those externalities could never work out if we didn't turn inward and learn how to love ourselves in order to love other people. Love does not look like a person. Love is our actions. Love is giving all we can, even if it's just the bigger slice of cake. Love is understanding. We have the power to hurt one another, but we are going to do everything in our power to make sure we don't. Love is figuring out all the kind of sweetness we deserve, and when someone shows up saying they will provide it as you do, but their actions seem to break you rather than build you, love is knowing whom to choose. What does love look like?